Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Learning. Please subscribe, like and share. Today we learn about top entry level interview question and answer for accounts. The first question is what is account? It is a systematic process of identifying, recording, measuring, classifying, verifying, summarizing and communicating financial information. It reveals profit or loss for a given period and the value and the nature of a firm assets, liabilities, and owner equity. The second question is what is golden rule of account? First, personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all expense and losses and credit all income and gains. Third question is what is BRS? A bank reconciliation statement is a summary of banking and business activity that reconcile an entity bank account with its financial record. The statement outlines the deposit, withdrawals, and other activities affecting a bank account for a specific period. The next question is what is depreciation? Depreciation is a non-cash expense that reduces the value of an asset as a result of wear and tear age over the period of its useful life. What is expenditure? An expenditure is a payment or disbursement. The expenditure may be for the purchase of an asset, a reduction of a liability, a distribution to the owner, or it could be payment in the same accounting period as the amount become an expense. What is accrued income? Accrued income is income which have been earned but not yet received. Income must be recorded in the accounting period in which it is earned. The seventh question is how many type of business transaction are there in accounting? There are two types of business transaction in accounting. First is revenue and the second is capital. The eighth question is what is working capital? Working capital is calculated as current assets minus current liabilities, which is used in day-to-day trading. The ninth question is what is TDS? Where do you show TDS on a balance sheet? TDS, tax deducted at source, is a concept aimed at collecting tax at every source of income. In a balance sheet, it is shown in the assets section right after the head current assets. The tenth question is what are the common errors in accounting? The common error in accounting are error of omission, error of commission, error of principal, and compensatory error. What is deferred tax liability? Deferred tax liability signifies that a company may pay more tax in the future due to current transaction. The 12th question is tell me something about GST. GST is the acronym for Good and Service Tax and it is indirect tax other than income tax. The seller charges it to the customer on the value of the service or product sold. The seller then deposits the GST to the government. What is Tally accounting? It is an accounting software used by small business and shops to manage routine accounting transactions. 14th question. Can you please explain the basic accounting question? Yes. Since we know that accounting is all about assets, liability and capital, hence its equation can be summarized as assets equal to liabilities plus owner equity. 15th question is what is MIS report? Have you prepared any? Yes, I have prepared MIS report. It is stand for Management Information System and this report is generated to identify the efficiency of any department of a company. The 16th question is debit the receiver and credit the giver is golden rule for which type of account? A. Real account, personal account, nominal account, none of these. The answer is personal account. 17th question is if wages are paid of construction of business premises, dash account is credited and dash account is debited. The example is wages, cash. Second one, premises cash. C, cash wages. D, cash premises. The answer is cash premises. The journal entry is passed through premises account debit to cash account. The 18th question. The rule debit all expense and losses are credit all incomes and gains related to A. Personal account, B. Real account, C. Nominal account, D. None of these. The answer is C. Nominal account. Question 19. Rent of proprietor house paid from business account by cash will dash. A. Decrease the profit. B. Increase the profit. C. Reduce the capital of business. D. Reduce the cash as well as capital of business. The answer is D. Reduce the cash as well as capital of business. The 20 question. Drawings of goods made for personal use. Drawings account debit to purchase account. It's related to journal entry questions. The question 21 is goods costing 20,000 destroyed by fire. The entries lost due to fire. Expense debit 8,000 to purchase cost of goods sold. Credit 11,000. That question number 22. Receive interest in cash of rupees 4,000. Cash account debit 4,000 to interest account credit 4,000. Question number 23. Business started with cash rupees 8,000 and plant and machinery rupees 3,000. The entry will be cash account debit 8,000, plant and machinery account debit 3,000 to capital account credit 11,000. Question number 24. Stock purchase for sale, cash purchase equal to 3,000, credit purchase equal to 5,000. The entry will be purchase account debit 8,000 to cash account credit 3,000 to creditors credit 5,000. The last question is 25th is full forms, where we know the full forms of AP accounts payable, AR account receivable, NEFT National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS real time gross settlement, COGS cost of goods sold, P&L profit and loss statement, GST goods and service tax, ROI return on investment, BRS bank reconciliation statement, ESI employee state insurance. Thanks for watching the channel. If you have any question and queries about the video, please let me know in the comments. To stay updated the videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks.